This, of course, is Maggie Mae. And as you can see behind us, we're at the Florida State Fairgrounds, ready to kick off our coverage to you of the Florida RV SuperShow. Grand Design has been known for some very innovative ideas, and this Solitude is a brand new floor plan being shown at the show this year. It's a more compact fifth wheeler with tons of storage outside as well as inside, and those nice big windows to let the light in that Grand Design is so well known for. So join us as we have Cathy give us a tour of this new, smaller fifth wheel that's still really big on features. This is a brand new floor plan from Grand Design. This is a new small fifth wheel. It's actually a model 280RK for rear kitchen. And Cathy's going to show you some of the features that make this smaller fifth wheel a big value.
This is really beautiful. When you first come in, you've got your theater seating. And look at these windows. They're amazing. We've got the table here, and this is a little drop leaf, so that when you want 4 people sitting, you've got the extra. If it's just the 2 of you, it's out of the way. As we come back around, we have your storage for your food, your pantry, and these are movable. You can adjust them to whatever your needs are. It has also got a light, so that when you open it up, you can see what you're getting. We don't have light down here, but look at how deep that drawer, and they're deep both. That one's deep both going down and far back. You've got some storage up there. And that's where Doug would be hiding things that he didn't want me to know about.
That's for sure.
And you've got plenty of storage going across the top here. Amazing counter space. And 2 big, deep, I think these are called farm sinks. And again, nice big windows.
There's light everywhere.
Yes. I'm amazed at all the storage. You have a little, what do you call this, island? Yes. And on here, you do have your power, both, there's 2 electric and then 2 for your phone. There's storage on this side of it. You put pots and pans. And that's a really big drawer there. Then behind me, more storage. The storage is just amazing in here. We have, looks like a microwave here, and I don't see who it's by. Oh, Insignia. And then we have gas, look at that, 4-burner stove.
Yeah, residential style.
And a beautiful oven. More storage over here. Instead of being in the middle. Now our refrigerator looks like it has a lock on it, and maybe
this is a 4-door RV style refrigerator from Norcold.
And your freezer is separate.
Hi, I hear the guard. Hi.
There we go.
Walmart reader. Hi.
And
Sorry.
this probably tells you what your temperature is.
He's a greeter.
Now, I always love a fireplace, and these fireplaces are beautiful. Again, more storage up here, and a television, a TV television. Alright, place to put everything you need. Back on this side, more counter space. This would be great for your coffee in the mornings.
Your Instapot.
Yeah. Or if you're doing smoothies, you know, you've got a nice
all
tall...
those nice little dash appliances.
That's right, that's right. I can't believe all the storage in this. More down here. Now as we get back over here.
And in that compartment,
I almost forgot. That's where your washer dryer can go. And you would need to have the one, what do they call it?
the combo.
The combo, thank you. So that's pretty handy. Now, as we go back to the back, oh, and by the way, this furniture is Thomas Paine. Now over here we have a little closet, little coat closet, and there's your electrical. Oh, look, it's got the fresh tank heater, gray tank.
So it is true 4 seasons, and it's already pre-wired for your generator.
And a storage spot at the top up there. Another place where you can hide your stuff from me. Okay. Now we've got the bathroom in here. You can close this door. It is a pocket door, and you can go in here. You can keep that closed if you want at night, and don't want anybody coming through. We've got beautiful shower.
Huge shower,
And-
fold-up teak seat.
Yeah. That's almost like a tub. I could actually wash Maggie in that. Look at that.
Yeah, it is deep down there.
Yeah. Nice little sink. There's for your towels. A drawer. And your medicine cabinet.
And something that we're kind of fond of here too, you've got a door out of the bathroom into the bedroom.
That's
and
right.
then you have a door into the bedroom from the hallway.
That's right.
So it makes it kind of Jack and Jill, and that way if you do have somebody staying in the living room, you each have private access to the bathroom.
Now this looks like a king-size bed, right?
Yeah,
It
that does.
is. It's a king-size bed. And you've got still plenty of room to walk around. Over here you've got a big nightstand and storage underneath. You've got storage on either side.
And a nice big wardrobe.
Beautiful. Beautiful big wardrobe. Well, actually there's 2 of them. They're separate because there's a little wall in there.
One thing that's nice with those wardrobes, a lot of times you end up sacrificing one of your wardrobes if you want to wash your dryer. This one you get to keep both of your wardrobes, and you still have access for a washer dryer out front.
Big drawers down here.
And then you do have the obligatory bedroom television over here on the wall.
Now the air conditioner unit back here does drop from the ceiling.
And it is all ducted. So Kathy, what did you think of this new entry from Grand Design?
I really like it. It's a nice, smaller size that would be easier to tow, and I think it's beautiful.
And for us, one of the things that's a requirement is ability to have a washer dryer, especially if you're full-time. And with this having that, to me, that makes this a definite winner. We want to thank you for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so, and be sure to ring the notification bell because we'll have new videos coming out throughout the Super Show and you won't want to miss them.
And thank you for following us as we follow the moon.
Thank you. Thanks for watching today.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel.
And be sure to ring the notification bell so you'll know when new videos come out.
Don't forget to follow us on social media too.